Hello dear viewer, today I will show you a trick that my grandmother gave me a long time ago. And I was happy to learn it because it helped save a lot of money on yarn from unfinished knitting and crochet projects. We will unknit this old sample and restore the yarn to its original quality ball. When we unknit an old product, we end up with this messy yarn. It's really different from the original. We have this amount of yarn, and we need to make it straight and soft. We will need a sieve or colander. Secure the tip now so you don't lose it later, and put the rest of yarn in a sieve and move to the kitchen to make a nice knitting dinner. Subscribe to learn more grandma secrets while we boil the water. Place our yarn in a steam bath. You can also use a double boiler. Stir the yarn periodically so that all parts are processed evenly. This usually takes 3 to 5 minutes depending on the yarn. We use a hair dryer for quick drying. Turn over and dry the other side. Look what a wonderful thread we have made. The thread became straight and soft as a feather. Wind our yarn into a ball. And at the same time we rewind the old ball. We made such a beautiful ball from old yarn. Subscribe to the channel for new secrets. Thanks for watching.